Who will it be?
Scientists at several different universities tried to look into the question about carbon intensity of food and see what made the food more or less carbon intensive. And all of them came to the same conclusion, that the main contributor to the carbon density was not the shipping, but the production of the food. And that, in effect, if you were to eat apples shipped from halfway around the world, it would be a far lower carbon intensity than if you were to eat locally grown beef.
You do have a point there, and I wasn't. I was trying to dodge this issue about protein selection.
We're back to vegetarianism.
We're back to vegetarianism. No, I think but one could equally well. I want to pose the same question with respect to our, the Pacific Rim. Look at the impacts of cultures that are devoted to fishing in a completely unsustainable way. I mean, we're as a planet going to have to shift cultural practices around food, and these, you raise a perfectly good point. This is the reason why I mentioned that I went from being a vegetarian to a vegan, so imagine why I went to being a vegetarian. It's partly for that reason as well. We're really going to have to think very consciously, and frankly, we're not going to have a choice anymore about how to live sustainably on this planet. And the issue, I want to, again, broaden the lens back from just what we eat, because this is a favorite topic. But we also have to think about how what we eat affects the web of life around us, and we need to move to a mode where we're thinking about. We need to move to a mode where the fact that we've killed off a species is headline news above the fold on the newspaper. This has to be something where, again, we need to internalize the idea that the web of life is really precious, and the loss of a single salamander species trumps Trump.
On that note, we will close.